Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you love outdoor fun, balance training, or just want a new way to challenge yourself, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best slacklines, each chosen for their durability, setup ease, tension control, and overall performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1. ZenMonkey Overhead Slackline. Kicking off our list is the ZenMonkey Overhead Slackline, a true all-in-one package ready for your first step or your next big leap in slacklining. This kit truly thinks of everything, packing in a main line with its ratchet, a separate overhead training line, an arm trainer, tree protectors, a handy cloth carry bag, and straightforward setup guides. You get a line that's over 20% longer than most basic models, which opens up possibilities for wider spaces and more creative setups outdoors. Those ratchet straps stretch beyond 8 feet, so wrapping them around even the biggest trees is no problem. Plus, the 5-foot tree protectors come with built-in guide straps to speed up your installation. What really helps beginners find their footing is the overhead training line and arm trainer, offering support as you learn the ropes of balance and movement. They've built this thing to last using a premium multi-weave webbing that's gentle on your feet and tough carbon steel ratchets tested to handle up to 5 tons. Number 2. Lily's Things Slackline. Next up, we have the Lily's Thing Slackline, a brilliant way to transform any backyard into a mini adventure park. Created with kids in mind, this isn't just a single line, it's a full ninja obstacle course designed to get them outside, moving, and building confidence. The kit features 2 separate lines, one for walking and another dedicated to hanging obstacles, like monkey bars, creating a dynamic jungle gym experience. You can adjust the obstacles to keep things fresh, and with 2 length options, 80 feet and 110 feet, it fits a range of tree distances from 15 to 50 feet apart. The 2-line design is a smart move. It cuts down on that annoying sag and bounce you get with single-line kits, making everything more stable and safer for dismounts. Safety is key, so it's been factory brake tested and uses industrial-grade materials you can count on. A real standout is the Rickety Bridge, a fun rope bridge that clips on securely and hangs just right, adding a unique challenge to the mix. Number 3. ZenMonkey Infinity Slackline. For those of you dreaming big, the ZenMonkey Infinity Slackline is the answer. It's built to be the longest, toughest, and most adaptable line you can get your hands on. This premium set gives you a full 100 feet of mainline, an oversized ergo ratchet, tree protectors, a durable ripstop carry bag, and all the guides you need, all presented in a box that's ready for gifting. They've used a multi-weave webbing that's 15% thicker than usual, striking a perfect balance between a comfortable feel underfoot and the right amount of stretch and tension. The extra-long ratchet straps make quick work of big trees, and the heavy-duty carbon steel construction promises serious strength and security. As with their other kits, the tree protectors include guide straps for a hassle-free setup. It's a powerhouse for honing your balance, coordination, and mental focus, giving a real edge in sports like yoga, surfing, or climbing. Number 4. Kutu Tribe 60FT Slackline. Now, the Kutu Tribe 60FT Slackline nails that mix of safe, sturdy, and family joy for kids and grown-ups alike. The full kit has a 60-foot mainline, premium ergo steel ratchet, training line, tree shields, ratchet guard, and tough bag. Rated to 300 kilograms, it's secure for newbies, families, or groups hanging out. Quality build and smart design give consistent performance for balance practice, core work, or plain fun outside. It's easy with clear steps, even for first-timers. Beyond fitness, it sparks family bonds and outdoor laughs, great for yard bashes, camps, or park days. It sharpens focus, coordination, and strength while swapping digital time for active vibes. Safe, adaptable, all ages ready, Kutu Tribe turns open areas into thrill zones. Solid craft and thoughtful touches make it a smart buy for families digging quality time and motion. Number 5. VEVOR Tightrope Slackline. Rounding out, the VEVOR Tightrope Slackline hits that sweet spot of versatility, safety, and punch for all levels. The set includes two 60-foot lines, two 1.5-meter tree pads, a 1.2-meter arm trainer, a waterproof bag, and a manual. Everything for starters or pros switching setups. Dual lines let you flip between training and full-on, making them suited to varied balance drills. Straps hold 500 pounds, strong for groups and long hauls. Upgraded double ratchet locks it tight, no sag for steady use. It builds muscles, coordination, and focus, a total body and brain workout. Set up anywhere from yards to gyms, playgrounds, or camps, perfect for families or athletes. VEVOR blends toughness with smart design for fun, safe sessions that boost balance, agility, and growth. A solid addition to fitness or play routines. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best slacklines. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more honest reviews on outdoor gear, fitness tools, and adventure essentials. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.